Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to send a copy to someone uh, uh, of your sheets in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay? Now let's jump into it. Well, as you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application right now. I'm currently signing into my freshly created brand new account, which I've created only for this reason. But let's say I will have a sheet here, but I want to send a copy of it to someone. How can I do that? Well, what you want to do is you want to click on these three dots right next to your chosen sheet. Click on those three dots. Here you'll have to scroll down for a bit until you find a thing called send a copy. Click on that. Here it will ask you to to choose the format. I'm gonna just say PDF, hit OK, and it will take it to your contacts and everything, so you can choose the people for whom you want to send this to. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.